all doing well. We are at the soft opening for Test Track. We came for the grand reopening day. That is tomorrow, but today they were letting people on. So we're so excited to bring you along after a 1-year refurbishment. And we love Test Track, so we are excited. And thank you to Disney for letting us be part of this soft opening. They kept it very low key. It's not on your My Disney Experience app. We just walked up to the front and we asked if they were letting people on because we heard them testing it. They said we have been having another soft opening today, and if just keep checking back, and we did, and we got on. So we're excited. Let's go have a great time and check out the brand new redone Test Track.
This is the history of GM Automotive.
That's insane. That's cool. Wow. That's the kind of car I want. That is cool. Oh, I love it. Right, huh? This is cool. So like modern spaceship vehicles. That's what I'm gonna call it. I love this. Excited. Everyone has said this was a lot of fun. They did a beautiful job with the 1-year refurbishment, and we're really looking forward to this. Are you looking forward to it, hon?
I am looking forward to Test Track because, quite frankly, anything that's new at Disney, I cannot wait to try it. So one more thing added to the list. Check will be Test Track.
Welcome, riders. I'll be your guide on today's journey.
And I'm your automated vehicle. Welcome to the Test Track.
We've always been dreaming about the road to tomorrow.
And now, you set a course for the future.
Before we can visualize tomorrow, we have to start by looking at the world of today a little differently.
That's where I can help. Let me show you how I see the world.
By using advanced cameras and sensors, vehicles are constantly scanning the road ahead, helping to prepare us for any surprises. Woo, nicely done!
Surprises, huh? I was built for this.
Tomorrow's roads will be built with technology too, like inductive charging to help keep you powered up.
Smart road activated. Power transfer complete.
Smart roads are just the beginning. Imagine being able to customize your vehicle at home.
Can I show them?
Go for it. First, select a new vehicle body.
What about this one?
Good choice. Now let's see how it looks.
Let's try another. That looks good with the third row.
And here's one I think you'll really love.
Oh, I can get used to this.
Now how about we kick back and enjoy the ride?
Sure, it's always fun to be free.
got some twists and turns, but the future is always just around the corner.
And together, we keep moving forward, finding new ways to drive to a brighter tomorrow. What's that on the left?
Oh, that looks like a flying vehicle.
A what?
In the future, some vehicles will be able to take off and land vertically.
Cool. And here I thought it was just fun.
Fun to be free. Ready to see what else lies beyond the horizon?
Go.
Test drive might be complete, but just ahead is the vehicle showcase, where you can explore the latest innovations from General
It was
Motors.
pretty much almost the same as the other test track, just modernized.
Remember to watch your step
But
and take all of
for
your
those that
personal
do not like
belongings
a lot of
with you.
jokes like the previous ride or a little on the rough side, they do have some rough spots, so this may not be for you. But I know they're still trying to work out the imperfections. It's just opening, it just opened, and the hard opening is tomorrow. The grand opening is tomorrow. But you can see they still got some things to work out, a couple rough spots. I know they're trying to improve the smoothness of the ride too. So I'm excited to see the evolution of this. But it was a lot of fun.
So,
if you like
you get
speed,
all the jokes
you like
and all the
cars,
driving.
this
Hey,
is
you
your
want
ride.
to take the wheel?
You heard her? $192,000.
For this model.
I think your brother might like this one. Yellow's cool. Yellow and black and white. Reminds me of Bumblebee.
And do you know where to store your stuff in here?
The engine is in the front.
The engine's in the back.
And this one, the engine's in the back? Oh, that's right. It's the opposite.
So you store your stuff in the front here. The Corvette has its own room, and now we're going to the other part of the General Motors showcase.
That's awesome. So if you like any of these vehicles, you can go to your local dealer and go buy one.
Yeah, and the showroom are all for sale under each brand, each GM brand. For example, we got Cadillac here, we have Buick here,
I like that one.
we have
That's
GMC, the
cute.
AT4 here.
I do like that one.
Shout out to GMC.
Actually, no, I like this one.
That's the Equinox Chevy.
Love the color.
Yeah, I don't know if you can find it in that white and blue scheme. Maybe so, because they have the white and black over here. And they have it all, Chevrolet, truck, everything. Chevrolet, GMC, Cadillac, you name it. Buick, they have all their brands here.
Very
Buick
nice.
here. So if you like something here, you like something called catches your eye, you can actually go to your local dealership and buy one. As you know, no good attraction doesn't come without its gifts. And
You can buy some slot cars.
Yes.
That's cute.
And you know, life is a highway.
Life is a highway. I'm gonna have that song stuck in my head now too.
So shout out to Test Track. That was an awesome experience.